Hello everyone. Today's topic of discussion is alcohol ban, its pros and cons. In this video we will discuss the theme, then arguments in favor of alcohol ban, arguments against the alcohol ban, then we will discuss some of the facts and finally the conclusion. So let us begin our video. Recently, you might have heard the news that illicit liquid took the lives of more than 40 people in Gujarat state, where manufacturing, sale, consumption, import, and export of alcohol are banned. In this slide, let us know arguments in favor of alcohol ban. When alcohol is available abundantly, the chances of drinking it will be higher. When alcohol is banned, people will not have access to alcohol and hence they won't get addicted to it. Moreover, consuming alcohol can cause physical and mental health issues. So, the alcohol ban can prevent this. Many families are slipping below the poverty line due to heavy spending on alcohol. So, an alcohol ban can save these families from the financial drain. Alcohol addiction can often result in domestic violence. Banning alcohol completely can reduce the domestic abuse incidents to a great extent. Alcohol addiction do not just impact the addicted person but his entire family. Thus, alcohol ban can save many families. Recently, you might have heard the news that a girl was dragged by a car and the people inside the car were drunk. So, crimes and accidents under the influence of alcohol have become a common thing. So, alcohol ban can save many lives directly and indirectly. Now, let us discuss some arguments against the alcohol ban. As we all have fundamental right that is written in Article 21, right to life. So, alcohol ban is against the right to eat and drink. Secondly, in the states where alcohol ban is imposed, illicit liquor manufactured using toxic chemical is abundantly available. Most of the people who drink this are poor people because they cannot buy costly smuggled alcohol like rich people. As a consequence, in the states where alcohol ban is imposed, artificial liquor is taking many lives. Over the years, several people died after consuming illicit liquor. Several others are facing severe health issues. Use of drugs can also increase due to non-availability of regulated and safe alcohol. Lastly, many people who are working in the alcohol industry will lose their jobs. Now let us discuss some of the facts. As of now, some states including Bihar, Gujarat, Mizoram and Nagaland imposed ban on manufacturing, sale, consumption, import and even export of alcohol. De-addiction centers were opened in the states where the ban is imposed. A few countries including Yemen, Sudan, Somalia imposed complete ban on alcohol. Also, social activists are divided over alcohol ban. A few social activists support alcohol ban to prevent crimes, domestic violence and alcohol addiction. A few other social activists mention that the alcohol ban will only raise the supply of illicit liquor and mafias. In the end, we will conclude this topic by saying that if alcohol ban is imposed, strict action should be taken against the suppliers of illicit liquor. Moreover, there should be more de-addiction centers with sufficient human resources to help the alcohol addicts. If alcohol ban is not imposed, awareness programs should be conducted to make public aware the physical and mental health issues caused by the consumption of alcohol. Availability of regulated and safe alcohol is much better than the availability of toxic and illegal alcohol. Thank you for watching. Comment below what are your opinion on this topic. Are you in favor of alcohol ban or are you against alcohol ban? And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more hot topics like this.